Hello friends, today we have some tailored money saving hacks for your NMLS mortgage loan officer exams and courses. First and foremost, you should check with your community college if you and your local institutions to see if they offer any free or low cost NMLS related courses. Most of the online platforms they provide a flexible payment options like Coursera, Udemy and other options and platforms provide flexible payment plans or financial aid options. If you are a veteran, explore the VA benefits that may cover educational costs, including the NMLS courses. In terms of your exam fees, take advantage of the free practice exams and access your knowledge. Join study group, online and in-person study group. And one of the most approachable would be to find study groups in your local library. A couple of other generic tips would be to get seasonal discounts, like during the year end, similar to how we have back to school and holiday season. Courses provides offers discounts during specific times of the year and especially towards the end of the year. Employer sponsored workshops is one another opportunity that you can look at. If you belong to a low income individual, you could get financial aid, explore government programs for and or non-profit organizations that provide financial aid. There are free NMLS study guides available from reputable resources like American Bankers Association, known as ABA, or Mortgage Bank Association, known as MBA. There are online forums and communities that you should be able to get tips, resources, and get experiences. Etsy and other online resources also provide easy downloadable study materials. That's another amazing cost effective alternative to NMLS books. While other direct costs of NMLS preparation are generally not deductible, there is a potential tax deductions or credits possible with NMLS exams. Student loan deduction, interest deduction. If you are paying interest on student loans, you might be eligible for this portion. Education credits. If you are pursuing a degree or certificate such as NMLS exam preparation, you might qualify for education credits like the American Opportunity Credit or Lifelong Learning Credit. These credits can reduce your federal income tax liability. However, it's important to note that reliability or eligibility for these deductions can vary based on your individual circumstance. For example, the American Opportunity Credit generally requires you to be enrolled in a qualified educational institution, while the Lifetime Learning Credit doesn't have this requirement. It's highly recommended to consult with a tax professional to determine if you are eligible for any of these deductions. Libraries. Libraries are an amazing means, a source for wide collections of books and ebooks that can provide valuable informations. Look for titles related to NMLS, mortgage banking, financial services. They provide online databases. Many libraries offer these online databases that provide research materials, including articles, journals, industry reports, which would be helpful for understanding complex NMLS concepts. Some libraries offer tutoring services that connect with you to the local tutors. And one thing that I have personally found very effective was the study groups. Library organizes study groups with other NMLS exam candidates and which are super helpful. NMLS books are quite costly, so used books could help reduce your overall cost. Amazon, eBay, there are multiple local bookstores that you should be able to get hold of used books. It could be a little outdated in the sense if it is 1 or 2 years outdated, it still would work because most of theory and the concept still holds true. Many NMLS course providers provide free demos or trial periods. There can be a great way to get a feel of the content, teaching style, platform before you're committing to a full purchase. Check the course provider's website for anything that could be availed as free. Contact the course provider irrespective. Ask them directly if they have a means to offer a free demo or have a discount and possibly a promotional offer as well. In terms of influencers and social media, leverage your network, reach out to vendors, colleagues, the industry association or groups. These are all means for you to be connected to the experienced, rich professionals. Use social media to follow industry influencers, engage in those discussions, attend industry conferences, events, seek out to the speakers and panelists, email them or call them, and utilize the online forums and communities. Post your questions. You would have tons of relevant discussions around the latest updates and the rules that has happening in the mortgage industry. Always remember to be respectful and persistent and grateful for every advice and guidance you receive. We have some of the NMLS industry leaders jotted down here. They are following them would help you learn the latest that's happening with your industry. Couple of online forums which we have found very useful are the Mortgage Bankers Association forums, National Association of Mortgage Brokers NAMB forums, Loan Officers Forum in Bigger Pockets, and Reddit's Mortgage forums. These are all online forums where you can get tons of valuable insights, advices, and networking opportunities. Last but not the least, similar to our channel, there are tons of YouTube channels that offer NMLS study materials. Something which stood out for my preparation was affinity, real estate, and mortgage training. These channels offer a variety of videos including lectures, practice tests, and quizzes. Join them, see how those videos are helpful, see the teaching, the relevance of the content, how that's being shared. If those makes sense, you should be able to go ahead and buy those products. By implementing these specific strategies, you can significantly reduce the cost as well as get hold of your and pass your exam with ease. Hope you find this helpful, and all the best with your NMLS exam.